your hand then. Yes, what is it? That's weird, isn't it, Ken? What is it? Oh, there's a long tunnel down there, isn't it? Right down to the centre of the earth.
This is weird.
What is it?
Well, Dad, look down there.
Yes, I do. Great big spirograph figure. Can you set it? Turn to do what is it? Let's just read what you have to do. See if you can get a flower pattern then. Just a minute.
There.
Look, he's changing the pattern there.
Granddad,
Yes?
look.
What is it? Oh, it's making the water vibrate. Read what it said.
I did it with that
This one here. This. You must be drunk, girl. You must be drunk. What can you see in there then? Eh? You're doing it too quickly, I think.
Into time.
Do it a bit slower, Karen. Do it slowly. You can't see it when it's going that quickly, I don't think.
Can we go to the shop now?
No, 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 we haven't finished this. It sounds like it. You'll break it, I think. No. What's this one then?
Oh, so went up to Granddad. Hello.
So, just a minute. Okay, but we haven't seen everything in here yet. Press it. Let the diver come down. Where is he? He's already down there. Well, let him come up again then.
How do we go up?
Let go. Just let it go.
Let it go. It's floating. Listen, look.
And then, oh yeah. Right. Right, now turn the light so that you can see. I can see you now, Lee. Turn the light so you can see Ben's face on your shoulders. Turn the light. Turn the light. What can you see in there? Where's Ben?
I'm here.
Turn your light up then, Ben.
Where's mine?
Turn your light up. Where are you? Turn your light up. Haven't you got a switch there? You can turn it up. That's it. That's it. Get down a minute. Get down.
Ben, tell me when your light's on. Mine isn't.
Turn yours on then.
It's all very nice.
Look. That's electrons doing that. That's the ultraviolet light. See the skeleton
Ben, look
showing
at
up?
that rock. Look at that rock. It goes all purple. No. If I press that in. These red ones.
Yeah. Oh, that's clove balls. That's a stroke. Where's the water gone?
See, here it is.
Oh, I
It's
see.
rising.
Yeah. It seems to stop the water still, doesn't it? Just put the light on. Put the light on. That's right. Have it on.
It's not.
Oh, it doesn't stay on. All right, come away then. Your shadow stays there. Come away. Come away.
Look at me. Look at me. Look.
It's like Peter Pan, isn't it?
Shady.
That's like Peter.
You're me. Oh, look. Look at my hand. Look, that's me holding my bag of sweets. Like that. I was holding my pen. I want to shoot Grandad. Look, Grandad, I
Yes.
was holding my...
So it was. The shadow stays there.
Hey, someone turn it on.
Just like Peter Pan.
But look. Grandad.
Okay, no, Lee doesn't like his either.
Oh, wait, Lee.
I can see it.
Lee, do you like these? Do I like... Look, Grandad, look.
Yes.
Grandad, can...
That's fantastic, isn't it?
Grandad, can I swap with Lee? Because I do like those sweets.
Did you say Lee?
It'd be very good if I was in here. I
You've got
lived
Robbie's
in
mirror.
here. If I lived here,
Have a lot
I'd
of-
hate it. I'd go, ah.
A lot of Lees.
I'll say, hello, my friend.
Come on in, Ben. We must go. You know it's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Come on then.